Your subscribers, they'll tell you how to fix Facebook login not working on an iPhone. So how you can also fix it. So first thing, just check your password and username. Maybe you just need to write the correct password. Maybe you just made a mistake in it. And if you just check it and it don't work again, so just close Facebook app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just open it, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after, you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, select the power off, wait for a second and just power phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And if you still have the error, so you can also just try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Facebook, and if you see here update button, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.